ẹ̀yin alára wa arábìnrin ló sọ wípé òun yóò pe bàbá pòfẹ́sọ̀ kan lẹ́jọ́ ní ọjọ́ ojúde ọba. Bàbá pòfẹ́sọ̀ yìí ní fọ́nrán wa tó kọjá òun ni arábìnrin yìí sọ wípé òun yóò pè lẹ́jọ́ látàrí nǹkan tó ṣẹlẹ̀ ní àárín àwọn méjèèjì. Àmọ́ ọ̀pọ̀ ènìyàn mọ nǹkan tí ó ṣẹlẹ̀ láàárín àwọn méjèèjì, àmọ́ arábìnrin yìí ti bọ́ síta láti ṣàlàyé ohun tó ṣẹlẹ̀ láàárín àwọn méjèèjì fún gbogbo ayé. Ó ní òun àti cousin òun àwọn fẹ́ gun òkè lọ sí ibi tí àwọn lọ́balọ́ba ń wà, ibi tí àwọn ládéládé àti lóyèlóyè wà ní ọdún ojúde ọba. Wípé bí èrò ṣe pọ̀ tí gbogbo ẹ̀ ń di rọ̀tìrọ̀tì, bàbá yìí ṣe àṣìṣe láti tẹ ìbátan òun mọ́lẹ̀. Nígbà tí bàbá yìí tẹ ìbátan rẹ̀ mọ́lẹ̀, arábìnrin yìí sọ fún bàbá yìí wípé kí bàbá yìí sọ fún ìbátan òun wípé kí ó má bínú, àmọ́ bàbá yìí ò dáhùn. Ó sì sọ fún bàbá yìí wípé bàbá ẹ sọ wípé kí ọmọ yìí kó má bínú. Bàbá yìí ò sì dá lóhùn. Òun ló mú arábìnrin yìí bẹ̀rẹ̀ sí ní sọ fún bàbá yìí wípé òun yóò pe bàbá yìí lẹ́jọ́. Ẹ̀yin alára wa, ẹ̀yin náà ẹ fetí sílẹ̀ láti gbọ́ ohun tí arábìnrin yìí sọ, kí ẹ sì sọ fún wa, ṣé ọ̀rọ̀ tí arábìnrin yìí sọ yìí ṣé ó dáa àbí kò dáa? Ṣé nǹkan tí bàbá yìí ṣe yìí ṣó dáa àbí kò dáa? Àbí bí ó ṣe ṣe yìí, bó ṣe sọ̀rọ̀ yìí, ọ̀rọ̀ tó ń sọ lọ́wọ́lọ́wọ́ yìí, ṣé ó yẹ kó rí bẹ́ẹ̀ àbí kò yẹ kó rí bẹ́ẹ̀?
Good morning, my people. I'm going to address this once and then I'll leave it at that because there's just too many positive things to celebrate. I really enjoyed my second Ojo Ojude Oba yesterday, and I am indeed Yoruba. But yeah, essentially there was an instance where I was going to like the VIP area where the reserved Obas were, and I had a pass. And I'd already gone there before. I was hanging out with Latif, Adedimiji, and in a nutshell, when I came back, because I went to go and get my cousin, this gentleman stepped on my cousin. I mean, it's Ojude Oba, so it's understandable that it will be rowdy. I've been before, and I've watched it on TV, and my dad's been part of the Regbe all of my adult life. So in a nutshell, I asked him to apologize, and he was like, why would I apologize? Is he not a small boy? And I said, listen, respect is reciprocated. The energy you give to me, I give to you. It's not obligatory. You know, you can't be entitled about that. I'm asking you nicely. Then he was like, no. And then he started pushing people, Femi Akinsanya from Rise, and such things like that. And I said, sir, you can see children. And the last thing I'll say on this is people assume that people from the UK are Akatas with no backbone. But not only am I Jebo, not only am I a Berkota, but I'm also South motherfucking London. Do you understand me? And by that I mean, don't play with me. Just because I speak like this doesn't mean that Teba song calls me Masosini Bada. Do you get what I mean? So this is for everyone. Everyone say, oh, just leave it, let it slide. I'm not letting shit slide. First of all, I'm going to get my money. Third of all, it's for all the people who have been trampled on metaphorically and actually, like my cousin. And with me, you don't mess with my family. Anyone knows me? Number one is Christ, and then his family. So, yeah, stay tuned. It's going to be interesting. Wearing the Arsenal shirt as well. Follow, baby. Follow, baby. My own is vintage. All the people are saying, oh, don't modernize your back culture. Look at this. Me, I'm 28. This one is almost 70. He's wearing the modern. Yeah, sorry. Anyway, in a nutshell, the gentleman was, really rude, really arrogant. And so then I spoke to the police, and he started speaking in a different language. So I then said, do you speak English? Whereas the way they edited the video, one would think I was saying, insulting him, like, do you not understand what I'm saying? Whereas I don't understand the Igbo language or Shikiri that he was speaking. And so I wasn't able to contribute. Yeah, I'm coming down now. So yeah, I mean, it's fine. I then proceeded to say I'm a Cambridge lawyer, and what you've done is an assault, grievous bodily harm, and actual bodily harm, and I will be suing, and that's what they captured in the video. So, no need to defend me, blah, 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 blah. Like, everyone's saying, oh, if you knew Jebus and their jazz, listen, no weapon formed against me shall prosper. I am more than a conqueror. And if you believe in Jesus Christ, you should say the same thing too. God bless.